Hello everyone, my name is Roianne.Buystedt and I'm here in Junction City at Guaranty RV to show you this 2020 Newmar Canyon Star. This is the 3710 model. It's 37 feet long, actually about 38 feet, and I'll show you the outside. This has an outdoor TV, standard storage underneath. It's got side opening doors. Pass-through storage on some of these. Side opening doors is a really great feature so you don't bump your head. This is just standard storage, all the usual undercarriage in the basement. I'll show you the inside now. Newmar is known for its builds. It's one of the best built coaches on the road, and this is all hardwood cabinetry in here. It's all maple wood, built by the Amish in Indiana. It's got great counter space in this one, double sinks, nice size European booth. It's got storage underneath your booth, just pull out storage. You have a nice size couch. This is all flex steel furniture, residential grade furniture. Nice accent lighting in here, residential grade fridge. This is a nice entertainment center. And then you've got two bathrooms in this. This is your half bath right here. Good closet space, and then you have your bedroom with a queen size bed. And your second bathroom is back here. This is a rear bath. Again, this is one of the best built coaches on the road. If you have any questions about this unit or anything else, just give me a call. My name is Roianne.Buystedt. My phone number is 541-636-7862. Thank you.